Today we're gonna take a quick look at some fundamental concepts in logic, which are essential for understanding reasoning and argumentation and problem solving. First, we have propositions or statements. A proposition is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both. An example is the sentence, "It's raining." Next, we have the logical connectives. These connect propositions to form compound statements. Here we have "and," where both propositions must be true, or if at least one proposition is true, "not," which reverses the truth value of the proposition, "if then," which is the conditional connective, such that if the first proposition is true, then the second must be true as well, and the biconditional proposition, where the value of the first proposition must be equal to the value of the second proposition. Then we have truth tables, a method to analyze compound statements by listing all possible truth values of their components. This helps you visualize when a statement is true or false. For example, in this truth table, we have the connective "and," where it is true only if both propositions are true. Next, we have the concepts of validity and soundness. So arguments are valid when, if the premises are true, the conclusions must be true as well. And an argument is sound if it is valid and all of its premises are actually true. Next, the concepts of deductive and inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning guarantees a conclusion from general rules of reasoning, which is found in mathematics and logic. And inductive reasoning gives you probable conclusions based on observations. That's what happens in science and in daily reasoning. Logical fallacies are errors in reasoning that weaken arguments. We have multiple examples like strawman, ad hominem, and false dilemma, and we'll definitely get back to these in other videos. Next, we have quantifiers, which are used in a kind of logic called predicate logic to generalize statements. You may have seen them in mathematics before. These are the universal quantifier and the existential quantifier, where for a logical variable, you either quantify it for all possible values or for one or more value.